Honorable teachers, respected and my dear, let us begin by expressing our deepest gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His countless blessing that allow us to stand here today with strength, faith, and hope. Ladies and gentlemen, we are living in an era where intelligence alone is not enough, an era where knowledge without character can mislead, an era where success without faith can lose its meaning. One of its greatest strengths is the harmonious integration between academic excellence and Islamic teachings. Here, students do not have to choose between being smart and being rigorous, because they are taught to become both. But knowledge alone is never enough. That is why Yayasan Tarbiyah Islam Guling places a strong emphasis on character building. It shapes students to be disciplined in action, honest in work, and respectful in attitude. Because true success is not measured by how much what we can know, but only we live by what we can know. Ladies and gentlemen, at the heart of this institution is a powerful foundation. The Quran talks to the program, Tafid, Tilawa, and deep understanding. Students are not only encouraged to read the Quran, they are inspired to live by it. Imagine a generation that carries the Quran in their ears, reflect it in their action, and submit its values in society. That is the generation being prepared here. Moreover, Yayasan Tarbiyah Islam Guling is not only the Indian program, but it is vision to create a generation being prepared here. Moreover, Yayasan Tarbiyah Islam Guling provides sport and jazz education. Is offer a nurturing environment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.